Hi, this is Joel Bernal. I'm installing an amplifier. Amplifier like just like this,
2,000 watts. See
Oh,
that?
That's no, it's just only 200,
I thought it's 2,000.
Oh, what's wrong with this one? Oh, come on. It's the person who wants to install the amplifier, the car amplifier, so you can discuss further. Okay. What are you doing? Why are you laughing?
Yeah.
Don't laugh. It's laughing,
The thing you must remember is the power, the ground, and the remote control, like this one. You see this one? This is the remote.
No, that's not a remote.
What's this?
Are you dumb or stupid? Oh, come on. You're in the record. This is from the YouTube.
What?
That's from the YouTube. The ground. The ground. Where's the ground? Is this the ground?
This is the ground.
Ah, this is the ground. Come on, you're serious. You're dumbass. You're only slapping when he's installed this car. Is this a car? No, that's not a car.
Look, what have you done? You broke my amp.
Oh, I thought it was you. No, it was him. No, I'm Chinese.